Yeah.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द करंट अफेयर्स। इस चैनल पे आपको अफेयर्स क्लाउड का पेड पीटीएम वीकली एंड मंथली मिल जाएगा और मैंने ऑलरेडी डाला हुआ है जून फर्स्ट वीक एंड सेकंड वीक। आप जाके इस चैनल पे विजिट कीजिए और देख सकते हैं। और आज मैं थर्ड वीक का जून का अफेयर्स क्लाउड का पेड पीडीएफ बिल्कुल फ्री में देने वाला हूँ। यहाँ पे देखिए, थर्ड वीक का है ये। देखिए, देख सकते हैं ये ओरिजिनल है, कोई टेलीग्राम पे ला के छोड़ दिया वाला वैसा नहीं है, ये ओरिजिनल है बिल्कुल। और चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। प्लीज़ यार सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और एक लाइक कर दीजिए। इंडिया along with 12 other countries lead the verified initiative launched by UN to fight misinformation about COVID-19. What is the theme of verified? Answer: science, solidarity and solution. Who chairs the committee restructured by IBBI for corporate insolvency resolution and liquidation process? Answer: Uday Kotak. Name the robot which was launched by Central Railway to boost the screening and surveillance of passengers. Answer: Captain Arjun. Sushant Singh Rajput, who is in news recently, is a renowned actor. India's first natural gas trading platform, Indian Gas Exchange (IGX), was launched by Dharmendra Pradhan recently. Where is the headquarters of IGX located? Answer: New Delhi. Which state has adopted flatted factory model to ensure the availability of industrial land? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which payments bank launched Suraksha salary account for MSME recently? Answer: Airtel Payments Bank. The forex reserve of India crossed $, for the first time as per RBI data in June 2020. Answer: $500 billion. Name the Indian NGO which has won the Biodiversity Award 2020 presented by Prince Albert II of Monaco Foundation. Answer: Deccan Development Society. What is India rank based on the number of warheads present in a country as per CIPRI Yearbook 2020? US topped with 5,800 nuclear warheads. India's rank answer is 16th. India extended financial aid of 2.33 crore to construct sanitation facility in Pashupatinath temple located in which country? Answer: Nepal. The Serum Institute of India has signed agreement with UNICEF and Gavi to supply pneumococcal conjugate vaccine (PCV) to low-income countries. Where is SII located? Answer: Pune. India has joined an initiative namely Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence (GPAI) recently as foundation member. GPAI will be supported by Secretariat to be hosted by which organization? Answer is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Which bank has approved to provide second loan of $750 million of to India under COVID-19 Crisis Recovery Facility (CRF)? Answer: Asian Infrastructure Bank. Infrastructure Investment Bank (AIIB). Who headed the panel formed by SEBI to suggest measures to strengthen enforcement of SEBI. Answer Anil Dave. What is India's rank in largest recipient of FDI in 2019 as per World Investment Report 2020 released by UNCTAD? US इसमें टॉप रहा है. आंसर इंडिया रैंक 98. Which country ranked top in 30 Which country ranked top in 32 edition of World Competitiveness Index 2020 prepared by International Institute for Management and Development IMD? इंडिया 43 रैंक पर रहा. टोटल रैंक जो फर्स्ट है वो है सिंगापुर. Who authored the book titled Clara and the Sun? And the answer is Kozuo Ishiguro. 19. What is the percent increase in formal employment in India in 2019-20 compared to 2018-19 as per EPFO payroll data? Answer 28.6%. Which state has observed Marks Day on June 18, 2020? Answer Karnataka. India became the non-permanent member of UNSC for dash term recently for the period of 2021 to 2022. Answer is 8 years. Thank you.